Back when I was co-founding other 3D printing and product development companies, we had to use 6 different applications just to manage our day-to-day operations. Everything from billing, inventory, project management, 3D file analysis, and everything else in between. So that's why we created MakerOS, to empower product developers so that they're able to consolidate their entire workflow from the typical 6 applications down to 1. So everything from your billing, your client communication, and file analysis is all under one roof. Within the platform, projects are central, which means that your clients can create projects, or yourself internally, attach anybody else that is relevant for that project so that you can communicate and collaborate in one space. It's never been easier to start a business, but it's never been harder to scale it. Every designer, engineer, and owner of a business has an ultimate vision of what they want to build. With MakerOS and Overflow, we help bridge that gap so you can leverage that power to scale easier than ever.